I'm gonna move along and I'm gonna work on finishing the kitchen at the door here. I'm gonna start off by finishing the bottom piece here with a 1/2 inch piece of aspen plywood. For the fold down countertop, it's going to be 3/4 inch pure bond maple plywood. I have this left over from the bed frame. The actual mechanism here is, so it's just a simple little hinge mechanism shelf bracket from Amazon, and when you open it up it latches into place like so. I think it's rated for like 200 pounds. Not that I would ever actually try to fully weigh it down with 200 pounds, but essentially it'll be mounted like so on that 1/2 inch piece of aspen. And yeah, hopefully that works well. So I've checked, and the countertop at this height is a nice working height. It's actually your typical sort of countertop height, and so I like that because when the door's open, you know, it's a perfect working height. And then once you close the door, it will sort of hover over the bed about 1 inch. I'm not sure how much it will encroach, but it's not the end of the world, it'll be okay. I'm thinking I might actually order a couple more of these for the shelf above. And maybe I can do some other interesting things with the shelving on the wall. Not entirely sure yet, but this is just kind of progress moving along. This piece of wood here is, the length of it's already pretty good. I'm just gonna shave down the width a bit to be like 12 inches or so, and this just needs to be cut down to size to fit on this like lower half here. So here we go. Nice working height. Have a grill, wall sink. Perfect. Okay, so that's the countertop basically complete. I will go and I'm probably gonna add a waterproof finish to this, some kind of epoxy or polyurethane thing. Hard to do this with one hand, but let's see if I can do it here. Yeah, simply folds down like that. So you can see that's in the down position. Simply up. So this turned out great and should serve me well for a nice little camp kitchen. We have to do the close the door test, which will involve me getting in here, and doggy might have to move. So let's see here. Door coming in. So as you can see, dog is being a big sucky. You can go over here. No. Oh, there you go. She likes the countertop. Yeah. So it just clears your feet. You can see it's not even here because my trailer's not square. You would have seen that in the bed video. So ideally when you're in here sleeping and whatnot, this will be down. But I just wanted to show that you can keep it up. So I will use the 1/2 inch plywood to finish this face as well. that is the fold down kitchen counter installed.